In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Claude Code for Python. This guide will walk you through the initial setup, Python-specific workflows, and how to optimize your coding experience with. Begin by navigating to your Python project directory. Open your terminal or command prompt and enter the command cd your Python project. This will change the current working directory to your Python project folder. Once you are in the correct directory, type Claude to start the session. After executing this command, you should see a prompt indicating that Claude is ready for your input. Once inside the Claude prompt, you can manage your Python environment and code using natural language queries. For example, if you need to set up your environment, you can ask Claude to create a virtual environment and install the dependencies from requirements.txt. This command will initiate the creation of a virtual environment and install all necessary libraries specified in the requirements file, streamlining your setup process. If you encounter issues in your code, such as a key error, you can request help by saying, I'm getting a key error in processor.py, trace the data flow and fix it. Claude will analyze your code and provide suggestions for resolving the error, which is crucial for debugging effectively. For testing your code, you can instruct Claude to write PyTest unit tests for the utils.py module and run them to make sure they pass. This command will generate the necessary test cases and execute them, ensuring your code functions as intended. Remember to check the output for any failing tests, as addressing these is essential for code reliability. To enhance your project structure, create a claude.med file in the root directory of your project. This file will contain instructions that Claude can reference, allowing it to better understand your project's rules. For instance, you might include guidelines on type hints, testing frameworks, formatting tools, and naming conventions. By providing this context, Claude can generate code that adheres to your project standards. When working with complex Python tasks, such as refactoring a legacy Django application, you can enable extended thinking mode. To toggle this feature, press Option plus T on Mac or Alt plus T on Windows and Linux. This mode allows Claude to analyze the architecture of your code before writing, which can lead to fewer bugs in multi-file changes and enhance overall code quality. As you work with Claude, you can utilize helpful /commands to customize your experience. For example, the /config command opens settings to change your default Python model, allowing you to switch to Sonnet 4.5 for improved logic. If your session becomes lengthy, you can use the /compact command to summarize the history, which helps save on token costs. Additionally, if you want Claude to focus on a specific file, you can use the @filename command, such as explain how @auth.py handles sessions. This directs Claude's attention to the relevant code, enhancing your productivity. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.